I'm gonna give you something for free in just a second, but first, crazy music industry fact. Did you know that the first thing that a major label does when they sign an artist is brand them? Do you wanna know why? It's because when you're branded as a music artist, every music marketing dollar you spend goes 10 times further, but only when you're branded properly as a music artist. It'll save you money plus gain you fans faster. I mean, think about it. Record labels are all about their business, saving money and making money, right? And you should be too if you're serious about doing music as a career. Your problem is that you probably have no idea where to start with branding, or you just don't understand it. Well, are you open-minded? If you are, I have a free music artist branding cheat sheet. The same exact one that record labels use. And you can just use it to check off the things you need for your brand, and it's 100% free. I'm Rob Level from Smart Rapper. There's 3 new videos on the channel a week. Click this video and go get your free branded cheat sheet right now. Just don't forget to mention me when you win a Grammy. Also, this is only free for this week, so you might not see this ad again, which means you might not ever be able to get your hands on this again. So you might want to click this video and go get it before it's gone. Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top. And until you decide to click, I'm gonna play one of my new songs, because I'm good at music marketing. This is stuff I'll teach you.
Damn, do I look good on camera? Ain't nobody looking better.
I like this. What up? Let me get it though. Let me get it. Look, hold up.
Got 3 rooms to slay like Santa. This much green, you need a tractor.
Got it down. Let's go. Woo.
Damn, do I look good on camera? Ain't nobody looking better. Where's my money? I need answers. Got 3 rooms to slay like Santa. This much green, you need a tractor. I feel like Tony Montana.